Peripherals are a diverse list of items that can be used to control and expand your PDK access control system. For example, communication modules such as the red PoE module and the red wireless module allow you to expand the board into wireless or PoE communication capabilities. Similarly, a wireless repeater can bounce and expand your wireless signal to further destinations than a cloud node and controller might otherwise be capable of. With any wireless installations, a range test kit is also recommended to ensure that the installation is not prone to interference or signal blocking. However, some devices, such as the high-performance Rex, can control egress on your access control system, allowing automated egress from a secured door using a PIR sensor. Finally, a device such as the high-voltage converter allows direct conversion from high voltage to a usable low voltage for smaller PDK devices such as the Cloud Node, Red 1, and Red 2. Now you're one step closer to completing your PDK system design. Head over to the next video in the series to learn what comes next.